everyone. We're going to find the absolute minimum value of the function f of x equals e to the x power divided by x. And x is going to be positive. All right, so we're going to use, first of all, whatever we get, it's going to probably be the minimum because that's what they're asking for. But we're going to take the first derivative test for absolute extreme values. And that will determine if it's a min or max. It's going to be a min because basically that's what they're asking for, but let's look at this. So let's take our derivative of f of x, and we're using the quotient rule. So you copy down your x, then take a derivative of your numerator minus your numerator times the derivative of the denominator, which is just 1, divided by x squared. All right, then we set this to 0. When you cross multiply, this x is going to go away. And I'm going to go ahead and factor out x to the x power, and you'll get x minus 1 equals 0. So x equals 1. And that would be your minimum value, because that's what they're asking for. But let's discuss why. So basically, it's our minimum value because if f prime of x is positive, then our function here, x times e to the x minus x to the x power divided by x squared, is positive. And the way you can determine this is, let's just look at a little sine graph and plug in a 1. So if you put a 1 here, and if I plug in some number 2 into this equation, then that's going to give me 2e squared minus e squared divided by 4. And this is going to be positive. Now we have to start at 0. Our x has to be greater than 0. So if I plug in 1/2 to this derivative, then I'm going to get, let's plug in 1/2, 1/2 square root of x minus square root of x divided by 1 divided by 4. Now what happens is this is going to be negative because the numerator is negative and the denominator is positive. So negative means it's decreasing, and positive, this was negative and this is positive. Positive means it's increasing. So that gives you your minimum value. So we have a minimum value at g of 1, which equals e, and this is at x equals 1. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.